Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a way to strengthen and nourish your hair and promote hair growth? Well, I want to show you this Hair Chemist Jamaican Black Castor Superior Growth Shampoo. And I have been really loving using this shampoo for a lot of reasons. I struggle with thinning hair and hair that is prone to breakage. And this shampoo can help to increase hair growth and thickness and fullness and just the strength to prevent that breakage. So I have been really liking it. So far, I've found that I have had less shedding of hair when I'm in the shower and when I'm washing my hair. And not only that, but it also is just a nice shampoo. It leaves my hair feeling really clean, really soft. It feels very healthy and it has a nice scent. It's pretty light. It has almost like a sweetness to it from that castor oil, and it just gives your hair and scalp a lot of nutrients and fatty acids and things that it needs to look and feel its best. So I have been really happy with this shampoo. I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.